Hello my friends, I'm Tony from Kesu Group. At Kesu Group, we constantly push the boundaries of CNC machining, keeping up with the latest advancements in material technology. Aluminum-based silicon carbide is a cutting-edge material known for exceptional strength-to-weight ratio, wear resistance, and thermal conductivity. Our team has extensive experience machining this innovative composite, delivering high-precision components for industries that demand performance, including aerospace, automotive, and electronics.
From prototyping to full production, our advanced machining capabilities ensure the highest level of precision and quality for every part. At Kesu Group, we are equipped to handle the challenge of tomorrow's material. If you have any special materials to be machined, like aluminum-based silicon carbide, please feel free to contact us. Bye-bye.